2026 Tesla Model Y redesign. You didn't expect it, did you? Amidst the flash of new arrivals, G-Wagons turned electric, Cadillac flagships dripping in OLED, and BMWs tuned like fighter jets, it's easy to forget the stealthiest assassin in the game. But here it is, the 2026 Tesla Model Y, fully redesigned, rearmed, and ready to outsell them all. Let's be clear, the current Model Y is already the best-selling vehicle in the world. Not just best-selling EV, not just best-selling SUV, best-selling vehicle, period. And yet, it's not done. In 2026, Tesla is launching the next-gen Model Y based on its new Redwood platform, and it's going to change the game again. Here's how. The platform: lighter, stronger, cheaper. Tesla's new Redwood architecture is designed for gigacasting wire-reduced electronics and LFP battery packs, which means faster production's a lower cost, higher safety stack, and more range for less money. Expect the 2026 Model Y to weigh less, handle better, and come in 3 core trims. Standard RWD, 300 miles, $42,000 USD, long-range AWD, 300 miles, $52,000, performance AWD, 0-60 in 3.6, 330 miles, $56,000 USD. Add Tesla's upcoming next-gen 4680 battery cells, and we're talking 15 to 20% range improvement over current models, with faster charging and better cold weather durability. Tesla's new Model 3 Highland design gave us a taste. The 2026 Y goes further. Wraparound ambient lighting, ventless silent air systems, rear screen for passengers, touch-sensitive buttons, no stalks, just steering wheel inputs, upgraded cabin acoustics with laminated glass. It's still minimalist, yes, but now it feels deliberate, not just bare. The Tesla's Autopilot 4.0 hardware is baked in, ready for eventual full self-driving advancements. The UI? Sleeker, smoother, even more intuitive. This is Apple-level UI, on 4 wheels. Global domination strategy. The redesigned Model Y isn't just an SUV, it's a scalpel, built to be assembled in North America, China, Berlin, and Mexico. Tesla is targeting mass localization, tax credits, and faster shipping, all to make this the most cost-efficient premium SUV in the world. Expect global versions with India-localized range-tuned variants for Canada, Nordic and Gulf markets, optional air suspension and track mode for performance trims. The X factor, the brand effect. Say what you want about Tesla, no brand owns mindshare like this one. Elon tweets, stocks jump, Autopilot gets an update, the internet breaks, and when the new Model Y drops, it will dominate YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, and every car lot from Los Angeles to London. This isn't just sales, it's culture. And even if the G-Wagon is cooler, even if the iX7 is smarter, even if the Escalade is louder, the Model Y will still outsell them all. Quietly, efficiently, ruthlessly. That's why it's known on our list. Not the most luxurious, not the flashiest, but the one most likely to win the war.